guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. London Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by Godfrey, the Godfather.
Sure, Steve.
Yeah.
Orinda.
Sure, money.
Sharp. What is Silo Saseka? Silo Samanyonyo. Yeah. I wish this can happen each and every week. Or each and every month. So, yeah.
Every week.
Yeah, so what Penis landed to Arena.
Really?
Yes, what is landed to Arena. So, yeah, Steve.
To who in Arena?
Paris, ne?
Sure.
Yeah, they did their best.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just that to honor the the way we go on. Sometimes don't count the eggs
Before they hatch.
Yes. Ska counter macanda what name inkukhu zami ziyi10.
Yeah.
Wabona. Noma ufanele ukuthi noma ushela ntombazana wabona.
Sure, man.
Every day uhlala utshela into eyi1. Every challenge into eyi1 njalo nje iyakhathala.
Yeah.
So unileague
Yes.
manje wena ukhuluma into eyi1 waya yabona.
Yeah.
So lento le ayisi right
Wabona.
Yes.
Icebar.
So that's why sometimes ugalebela ne yeah, I don't know ne wabona mara esekhosi ne we going to finish where Sundowns started wabona. Yeah, so which means next week on the 28th again. Today in table one again. What cementrela one? Go today. What we figure again. So next week, Solvul and Yamakus. Yeah. So la persona ikale kona so tetelela.
Number 1.
So until one, I'm not celebrating because maybe. Sundowns to win that one. Just because the league is still on.
Yes. Definitely.
The league is still open to anyone. Sundowns Paris ne.
Sure.
If I know umuntu lona uthola mhlambe land master umshene endawo. Athi ngicela ungadile le ndawo le yabona. So uthi hayi ngisayendlini yami le. Mara bakugadisile le ndawo le akusindawo yakho.
Asipleka.
Isasebhizi umsebenzi leAfrika ne. Athi hayi ngicela ungikwambele umbrella bona. So uthi le league ngalendlela engakhona ne. Thina ngithi bathi sinavele siphumile ku Nedbank yane neCAF. Se focus yethu kuphi league imuligini wabona. So bana vele bona abatshole bili balebele Nedbank yakere.
Sure.
Mara ngithi bona korne mo Nedbank sometimes I wanna it's better.
Kesrick stars to bashapa.
Now British.
No.
Kesrick.
No, but I win I'm Kesrick wabona. Yeah, mara kwa pele mo lione wabona.
Utobatha.
Sama kushanga ngapara di Projorix. Askabona gareke. Maybe loka. Askabona garwala. So mara utaluka fethu.
Godfather.
Wabona.
So good question ba.
Something.
Wangathi usheshela murao njengasitsonga usheshela murao wangathi usheshela murao awuyiko phili wangathi usheshela murao
wabona Paris now it's like they don't know or they are coming or they are going they don't know now they are confused now. So okay, let's go to the game. Steve, what a quality to Sundowns. Wabona especially Kulisum down. No, that is the best defender. That actually Kulisum down for your gun. You don't deserve to play local. Yeah, and like Limudiba, first space or overlapping.
Sure.
It's more by Sundowns. Ijo Boncherne. Yeah, go on a man. Yeah, it's over. So that's why I get into one and then go the Pulele ne. Dite, you better want to Pulele ne. But until one go ne, yes, 28 ne. Le pain is still so Adam more.
Are you sure?
28, yeah. That's why I get this pain.
Ayisandawusi ngiyayisaba uthi ngani ishaye iPirate ubaba umndawo wasanganelwa ekhanda namuhla ngasakhuluma ngeSundowns ngoba emtshela induku ubhizi Kaizer Chiefs engizwile bathi ulapha ePitori emahlanyeni ngicela uyomcheck ubaba umndawo le emahlanyeni akasekho right
yabo marota loka
Godfather, that's what no.
uzobona wena
Uyabasaba mention only one ozodla Paris ngoba mina I know ukuthi nge28 lo dodo wenzeke la
namuhla benithi
ukuthi sizodla
namuhla nje unganishayiwe benithi nina ubani ozogrifa
Chiefs players please Chiefs players
please ama 2K
ubona price parece idilizana sidile inagere so please Kaizer Chiefs players please make us happy please Kaizer Chiefs players no I'm talking about
today
I'm talking about Kaizer Chiefs please Kaizer Chiefs players
usinga iChiefs ingoba namhlanje Sundowns ezehappy
yebo
make us proud on the 28th
ngizaphuma number 1
please guys please we are begging you guys
Thank you Godfather.